We've designed this video to give you a fast start overview for using EndNote 20 on macOS. We'll cover how to create an EndNote library, 2 ways to import a reference from an online database using PubMed as an example, how to create a custom group and add references to it, how to use Find Full Text to download PDFs, how to insert a reference into a Microsoft Word document, how to format a bibliography using the APA 7th output style as our example, and how to add page numbers to an in-text citation. To create an EndNote library, select New from the File drop-down menu. Choose a folder on your local hard drive where you'd like to create this new library. EndNote will suggest calling this file My EndNote Library, but feel free to assign a name of your choice. We recommend storing all your research materials in a single EndNote library, and I'm going to call this library My Research Projects. To avoid an increased risk of encountering library corruption, be sure not to save libraries that you're actively developing within cloud syncing folders, such as those for Dropbox, Google Drive, or iCloud. Also, don't save libraries that you're actively developing onto a network drive. Click the Save button to finish creating your new library. The first method of automated reference capturing we'll discuss is via online search. You'll find an online search section within your library's Groups panel in EndNote 20. Click a shortcut for a favorite connection file, or press More to choose from a list of all installed connection files. Input your search parameters. And click the Search button to query the remote database. EndNote 20 will retrieve the first 25 search results, and you'll have the option to download additional items if you'd like. None of these search results are saved to your library until you choose to do so. Review the references and select the items you want to keep. Hold down the Command key on your keyboard while clicking to highlight non-consecutive search results. Perform a Select All command to highlight all search results. Click the plus button when you're ready to add these search results to your local library. The references you copy will show in your library's unfiled group since they're not yet part of another library group. To create a custom group for these references, select the Groups drop-down menu and choose Create Group. Input the name of your group and press Return. Highlight the references to add to your new custom group, and then drag and drop them into the group. Another popular method of automated reference capturing is known as direct export. You can use the direct export workflow to capture references with many online databases, but let's import some references from PubMed.gov as an example. I'm using Mozilla Firefox for this tutorial because it supports direct export on both macOS and Windows. Perform your search of the online database in your web browser. Choose the references you want to export by checking them. Feel free to export a range of search results from PubMed by not marking any items. Choose the Send To link. Then press Citation Manager. Click Create File, and complete the export by opening the temporary text file with your EndNote 20 application. The captured search results will appear within an Imported References temporary group. Highlight, then drag and drop your new library entries to a custom group created for this project or topic. To have EndNote attempt to find full-text PDFs for references in your library, start by highlighting those references. Then click the Find Full Text shortcut. You'll see a paperclip icon appear next to those references for which EndNote finds a PDF article to download. After a reference appears in your EndNote library, you can add it to a Microsoft Word document. In Word, position your cursor to create an in-text citation using the Cite While You Write add-in. With your cursor in place, click the Insert Citation shortcut found on the EndNote 20 tab to bring up the Find and Insert My References window. Perform a search for an author name, keyword, part of a title. Press Return to find and review a list of all matching references from any open library that fits this search's scope. When you're ready, highlight the references you'd like to add to your writing project and then press Insert. Your in-text citation will appear along with a formatted reference list at the bottom of your text. Feel free to cut and paste your reference list elsewhere if you'd like. To change your output style, click the Configure Bibliography button found on the EndNote 20 tab in Word. From the Configure Bibliography window, select an output style from your list of favorites. Or press Browse to see a complete list of all installed styles. Click the OK button whenever you're ready, and EndNote will automatically reformat your references. To add page numbers to an in-text citation, highlight the citation with your mouse, and then click the Edit and Manage Citation shortcut found on the EndNote 20 tab in Word. Add cited page information to the Pages field. Then click the OK button. This overview should help you get started quickly, but EndNote 20 can do so much more. Please visit the EndNote training portal at endnote.com/training to find pre-recorded videos, PDF guides, our live training calendar, and more.